This function max takes two integers and calculates maximum of them, returns the same. Thus, the return type of this function is integer. In the main, we have declared two variables a, b and c. A value is taken as 10, b value is taken as 71. Then we are calling the function max and we are sending the values of the variables a, b. Whatever value the max function returns, that we are assigned to the variable c, and then we are printing it. Now we will try to explain how this function call really takes place. When we declare variables in the main, memory for them will be allocated. For a, memory will be allocated. In that memory, 10 will be stored. For b also, some memory will be allocated and then 71 will be stored in it. For c also, some memory will be allocated, but however, as of now, it is not initialized to any meaningful value. When we really call the function and send the arguments as a, b, a value 10 will be going into the function, b value 71 will be going into the function. That is, the x variable value in the function becomes 10, y variable value becomes 71. With these two values, the function will be executed. Is x less than y? 10 less than 71? Yes. Thus, y value, that is 71, will be returned to the main. Whatever it returns, it will be assigned to the variable c. When we come out from the function, whatever memory allocated for the variables x and y, that will be deallocated. Of course, when you enter into the function, the memory will be allocated. When you leave, that memory will be deallocated. Now we are back to the main program. C value is 71 now. Before function call, C value is trash. After the function call, it is 71. Rather, whatever the function max returned, that value is assigned to C. The last printf statement will print the C value, that is 71. This function